Good evening, everybody. This is your friend Navi. How you doing? How's everybody doing today? This is our investor education class, nightly class. We share ideas. We're not brokers or licensed or anything like that. We're just a bunch of traders that share ideas for free and educate people that join us. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Welcome. Yep, RLYP made another high on that Thursday high. So last Thursday when it was up 6 points from that 22, 6.5 points, and it hit that 29. Today it hit 29.50. Yeah. So today it hit 29.50, guys. And it's just going strong. It's going strong. It made a new high as far as in the breakout. So it's made a breakout high. It's gonna get to that 40 level quick, guys. It's gonna get to that 40 level. Okay. So I mean, anybody that's buying it under 30, consider it a gift. It's a free gift for being part of our education class. We're just giving this trade out. And we've been in it since 22, 21, some of us, and I even know a guy that got in at 20. Okay, so that's all part of the stock market mojo team. We got one guy at 20, we got several at 21, and then the rest of the gang between 22 to 25. Okay, so everybody's up between 9 points and 4 to 5 points. Okay. So it's been a great trade, guys, and that's not the only one. We've had several great trades, but that's one of our biggest ones. We already hit CMG twice on the short, the 540 put and the 500 put. So we want to bring together the team, and we want everybody to make money on this trade. So we alerted it today when it pulled back to the 27 level. And we said to everybody to get the calls, and a lot of our guys got them in, and a lot of guys were already in it. So this was a great opportunity. Once everybody got in, the rumor came out. There's a $65 bidder out there. The rumor's not confirmed, but the stock moved from 27 to 29.50 on the rumor. Okay, we could sell right there for a 50% gain on the calls, but we're holding. So this rumor has already been out twice. So we believe that this rumor may have some truth to it. However, there's no guarantees in life, and obviously we could lose our money. But set your stop, and if you get stopped out, then you get stopped out. No, what we're saying is buy RLYP, buy all you can. When it was in the 27s, I was sending the alerts, buy all you can. Remember my conversation with you? I said buy all you can when it was in the 27.50. Yeah, that's when I was messaging you. So you're part of my private Twitter alert service. You guys are welcome to join us. It's like $1.99 a month. It's a direct private Twitter alert service. Yeah, me and Green were talking in there, and I said buy all you can. And it was 27.50 when I was talking to Green. So it popped to 29.50. And it closed at what, 28.95, and then after hours is 29.40 again. So the thing is, it's gonna gap and go, guys. I mean, it's probably gonna go 30 to 40 like in a heartbeat. I mean, once it blows through 30, we don't know where it's gonna stop. Okay, yeah, we don't know where it's gonna stop. We have no idea. But if it blows 30, it's done. I mean, it's gone. I mean, it's bye-bye, right? Those calls are gonna be like $3, $4, $5 just for one call. I mean, right now they're cheap. You get them for $1, $2 maybe. I mean, they're going to be $5, $10 calls here, and just, I mean, in a blink of an eye. If it breaks 30, it's gone. Okay, so this is our free trade of the day. You guys have been with us for several weeks. You guys have been taking the class. The rumor's already out twice. I mean, really, the next headline will probably be that somebody buys them. Where there's smoke, there's fire. I saw some guy, you will not believe this, but my friend DJ, my friend D has a trade. There are other friends on Stock Twitch that have it. Wall Street Jesus tweeted it out. He's a very famous guy. But RLYP, somebody bought something like 6,000 calls yesterday. Okay, 6,000 calls. They put $1 million out on the table, and just in calls, just one guy. Okay, so I mean that's telling me something. It's not telling me everything, but it's telling me something. And when I see that kind of action, I think, hey, why not my subscribers? Why don't I tell my buddies? Why don't I tell my followers? So I'm just out there telling. Yes, sir. December calls, 1 million in action. 1 million in December call action yesterday. One guy picked it up. December 30. Okay, it's on Stock Twitch. Look it up. I'll send you a picture. Yeah, I'll send you a picture, Green. I'll send you a photograph. I have it on my Twitter. Yeah, so the thing is, there's a lot of action going on right now. I mean, the deal may not get done, so I'm getting January calls. But yeah, D has a photograph I sent to D. He knows. It's a lot of action going on, and we want to be part of it. Stock Market Mojo, this is what we are. We're a momentum-based company of traders. We see momentum in RLYP, that's where we're at. And we saw momentum in the CMG going down, and that's where we got in, and we hit it out in CMG also. Our puts were brilliant today. I mean, I couldn't be more happier with our put. I put Harman puts on Friday, and Harman puts at 250 hit 650 today. I couldn't believe it. It's a speaker company, but it was in a downtrend. I alerted it repeatedly on Friday. And man, I just caught that, and it was $6.50 return on Harman. Anyway, I digress. It was a big put, but not everybody got it. But I know an MD friend of mine, a doctor friend of mine, he took the put, and he scored on that. So I'm really happy for the doc. The doc made out on the Harman puts. Let's see. So RLYP, guys, join us. We'll get you in. We'll get you some other good trades. And let's everybody win on this. Yeah, Har was amazing. It was an amazing trade. I can't believe that I was so sure of it, and that was one of my big trades Friday that I sent you guys, and it just collapsed. Every day it goes down $1. I mean, still going down. Every day it goes down $1. It's making money every single day. And also Teva Pharmaceuticals, it hit 66.50. Every day it pays you. Teva Pharmaceuticals, you buying the dips there, every day you get paid on Teva. So there's certain stocks that are just amazing that we have picked to our subscribers. What's not worked last couple of days was the Google and the Facebook, those guys, and the Amazon. This seems like the minute the Dow was up 150 on the oil and on the mergers, everybody sold the Google, Amazon, and Facebook. Okay, so there was a rotation going on today. That's what was going on the Momos. Yeah, Netflix, yeah, there was a Momo rotation today. But the thing is that this is why we got RLYP, this is why we got the puts, and this is why we got the short QQQs. That's our insurance if the market drops. So the thing is that we are trying to get a balanced portfolio, but the Momos, they got NOMO today. The Momos had NOMO today. So probably they'll be back because in after hours, the Google is up, Netflix is up. A lot of the Momos are going up after hours. So I would imagine tomorrow they come right back roaring, and everybody that got short today is going to have to cover. So we have a big day tomorrow. So this is what we're at. This is our recap. Let me go around, and here we are. Okay, so I'll put it right here. Yes, lots of hearts. Hearts are good. Hearts are good. All right. Let me focus this, see who's in here. Let me welcome the people here. Sally, welcome. Armando, welcome. Looks like the sun coming. Eric, welcome. Justin is here. Great. Rob, V, Et, D, and Benson. Great. And then we have more from the web. All right. Excellent job, guys. Excellent job. Now, Momo didn't work today. Okay, everybody knows Momo didn't work. Okay, we got that. Something going on with the Momo rotation, so really watch those Momos. Momos are Facebook, Amazon, Google, and Netflix. Those are the Momos. But Momo, when it works, it goes 600% like we saw last week, right? They were doing 600%, 200%. So when Momo works, we make a lot of money. That's why the Momos are good, because when they work, we make a lot of money. When Momos don't work, what do we need? We need the RLYP, we need the puts, and we need those biotechs like Teva. I mean, those guys are working like you would not believe. Doesn't matter the Momo work or no work, those guys always work, right? So I think that we have a good strategy there. let's go lightly on the Momo because the Momos are being really finicky right now. And let's continue the strategy where we have on the Ellipsas, the Tevas, and the puts. Those things are like killing it, okay? And I mean, if we just did that, we'd be 100 to 500% every day. But we're throwing in the Momos to see if we get that 600 to 1,000% jump on the Momos. Yeah, Tesla, Baidu, these are all the Momos. The Momos, today, people rotating them out. But remember that. Momo is like that. You know, one day they have the juice, couple of days they don't. And that's Momos are like that. So we're going to have to be even more careful on the Momo. But definitely, guys, definitely look at the portfolio. Look at the puts. Look at Harman. Look at even Cavium today. Cavium killed it. Some guys got in at 120 or 130 on that put. That put closed at 180, 190. Cavium up put was up 50%. Okay, that's just today. So Cavium is going to pay us. All right. So you guys are in Cavium. You guys are in Harman, some of you. And those are like knocking it out. Teva continues to knock it out. Relipsa continues to knock it out. This is your solid horseman right now. Okay. And then, of course, you throw in a couple of Momos. Let's see which Momo is working, right? Sometimes it's Netflix, sometimes Google, sometimes Facebook, sometimes all of them. So this is the kind of what we have to a little bit fine tune, and this is what my education class is about tonight. It's about fine tuning because when you get the day like today, and you just have Momo because you like those names, right? I mean, I like those names, we likes those names, and we love playing the Momo. But when the Momo got no more, then what do you have? That's the question. So did you have Relipsa? If you did great. If you had Harman, if you did great. If you had Cavium, if you did great. Okay, and a bunch of others, CMG yesterday, the day before. So there was a bunch of others that Momo or no Momo, it doesn't matter to us. We have our other part of the portfolio that works every day. Okay, so that's kind of what I wanted to impart a little bit. That little bit of diversification would do us a really good right now. Momo, we hit everything last week, but this week they're rotating out of Momo. So let's keep that in mind. But I do have a feeling that the Momo goes nuts tomorrow. So let's see if that happens. If that happens, then we're back to the way it was. But if there's one more day where the Momo is no more, then you know where you're going to be. Okay? You know where you're going to be. You got the alerts. You're going to be in puts. You're going to be in the Relipsas, the Tevas. That's where you're making the money. Even the GoDaddies. GoDaddies are doing great. Okay? So those things are going to be good. Okay. Yes, stockmarketmojo.com. Sign up. There's the specials up there. Click the specials link. It's like $1.99. I add you to the private Twitter feed, and I'm basically sending you alerts all day. I send you the market recap before the market opens. I tell you what's going to happen, what's going to move, not going to move. Today I said market's going to be open down and then rally up, and exactly what happened. Market opened down, rallied 150 points, right? But NASDAQ was not following it. NASDAQ got to flat line, and that's when they dumped it. So you could see the rotation. So, yeah. Sometimes Momo works. Yeah, sometimes Mara, very good point. Very good point. So Momo, be careful, okay? Don't put everything on Momo. Yes, I mean, we know the Momo names. You guys know the names. The FANG, Facebook, Amazon, Google, Netflix. That's the 4. Baidu, Baba, Tesla. Okay, that's the 7 Momo. Okay, those are the main. Now, sometimes they don't work, but when they work, they pay 100% to 600% all the time. Okay, so we just have to catch them when they're working. Yesterday we caught the bottom. Amazon paid 250% yesterday. Okay, yeah, I will definitely. Oh, I alert you before. I mean, you get them at the same time as V. All the guys get them same time as you, Mara. I gave you a lips. I said load that shit up. 2750 today. I said just load it up. I know you made so much money on your website. You made 100% last week, Marha, but you need to be in it. The buyout is coming. Yeah, have an E-Trade account would be a good place to start. And then yes, thank you, Marha. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I know some guys bought a couple of Momo stocks, you know, and they're not up right now. And that's just the way it is. I have all Momo. I have Netflix, I have Google, and I have Amazon. and I'm not happy with the way the momos are doing today. But I'm thinking tomorrow we kill it on the momo. So I cash it out. Everybody cashes out tomorrow. People who are down will probably cash out break even. People who are break even will cash out with a profit. So this will be good. It'll be the calls on the momos. Yeah, Tesla should work. I mean, if the momo comes back, Tesla will be up 10, 15 points. Yeah, I mean, if momo comes back, Tesla is the first one to go up. 7, 8 points right away, it'll pop. So, yeah. E-Trade, Ameritrade, those are the companies, $10 a trade. Yeah, definitely start there. Follow us. We got free education every night. And you got experienced traders in here. They'll tell you how it works. They'll show you how it works. On the definitely with the option account, I would start with 5,000 is what I started with, and that was a while ago. But yeah, I mean, 5 to 10 grand would be my recommendation to do it. Be able to do 3, 4 contracts of per trade. I would say 5 to 10 grand. Yeah, be a good start. And hopefully, hopefully you'll get to, to play that what positions we are in with like RLYP and Teva and some of those good stuff, and you make some money. I didn't see it going lower. It went to the same spot. It always goes. Last week went to 746. It's bounced. Today went 746, bounced. I mean, it keeps going to the 746 on the GOG, and it bounced from there every time. So I mean, it's a good trade if you see it. I mean, me as a habit, I buy Google on the dip. Yesterday we bought on the dip and it went back up. Amazon we got on the dip, went back up. Unless the market crashes, we have insurance for that. We bought insurance. If it crashes, we cash that in. If it doesn't crash, that's when, yeah. So if it's just like in the middle, grinding, that's kind of, we can lose some money if it's grinding. So that's why we're going to be careful, obviously, on the momos, guys. Everybody, be careful on the momos. But the puts and the specific biotechs, those are going to kill it. That's where we're going to kill it. Momo is just you catching them at the right time. You catch them, that's it. All right. So that's my wrap as far as what happened today. V was studying it. Yeah, I mean, we could buy Baba for like $100 for 100 shares, for the calls, December calls, and Baba could rock right back to 85, 86. You at least 50% you can make on those, at least, if you timed it right. So Baba swings like that, Google swings like that, Amazon, yeah. Rumors saying any day, right? Rumor says any day. We don't know. Yeah. You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. We don't know. I mean, if it will, if it won't, no one knows. We're looking at the chart. The chart of RLYP looks good. Let's pull up the chart for everybody. See if we can share that. Okay, so RLYP, I had it up here. Okay. So I'm going to focus this for you guys. Okay. And I'm going to put up some indicators for you so you'll be able to see it. Yeah, I've still got plenty of time, plenty of room. This stock doesn't care about RSI that much. It's M&A driven. So let's bring these, let's get the on balance, one of our favorite indicators. Let's get the accumulation distribution line and the CCI. Okay, let's see how it looked today. Update this. Okay, sorry. So I'll bring this in. You guys take a look what happened today in the RLYP. Let's get a 3-month view. Okay. All right. Okay, perfect. Wow, look at this thing. Okay. So this is RLYP today. Let's take a look. Yeah. So we had a little bit of distribution and boom. In the morning it was distributing on the on-balance volume, a little bit of profit taking, and then it came right back up when the rumor hit. And you can see the accumulation distribution line is pegging right at the top. So the big money is coming in. Yeah. Yeah, bull flag 2. Bull flag 2. Perfect. Yeah, bull flag 2. So bull flag right here, and looks like it's going to break to the upside somewhere up here. You know, me and green were thinking it's going to hit about 36. Yeah. So me and green were thinking 36 is when the bull flag breaks right up here. Okay. So I mean, even if you got the 30s, those will be like $6 or $8, and they were like $1.50 today. Okay, that's a huge trade if you guys can get in on that. Huge trade. Okay, so buy something for $1.50, sell it for $6 or $8. Okay, I want to do that. Okay, so this is RLYP. All indicators are go. Yeah, all indicators are go. Volume bars are confirming. Look at this big volume bar, green bar, and look at this, boom! It hit the 200-day. It's now consolidating. It's going tight bull flag today, and it's just gonna explode on the next, you know, big buying. It's just gonna go. Yeah. So this will be, this will be the game, and we're going to be in it, and we want our subs to be in it. We want our followers to be in it. We want everybody to make money. Any questions? How you guys doing? Did you guys get in on RLYP today? I was recommending you January, Marha. But if you want to take the risk for a week, you could take the December. But December going to expire next week. Yeah, if there's no news by next week, they're going to expire with nothing. So if you want to be a little bit safe, get the January. That way we have the whole December to get the news. We'll probably get the news for Christmas. We'll party. So, you know, a little Christmas present for everybody. You know. Hey, if I hit it, trust me, party will be on me. You know, I'm taking you guys out for drinks. Yeah. If I hit this thing, drinks are on me, guys. I'm sending pizzas to you guys' houses. Okay? So you know, we're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be a great celebration. We'll do a meetup. We'll do a stock market mojo meetup. We'll invite your friends. We'll have a big RLYP party. Yeah, absolutely, meat lovers. You know, we'll get you whatever you need. So just know, guys, if we hit this, the Stock Market Mojo team is in on this trade. If we hit this trade, we're throwing a party. We're going to invite all our friends to subscribe and make this community even bigger, because this is a community service that we're doing with free education. Okay, and we want to get you guys in. Yeah. Yes, Marha, yes. 30 or 35, it's okay. 35 is okay too. 30 or 35 will work on RLYP. Yeah. Yeah. It'll be fine. Once the bull flag breaks, it'll hit 36. You could cash out a 35 call for, you know, double or triple. Yeah. But if it gets bought out, I mean, you're getting paid $20, $30 a call. So imagine if you had like 10 calls, what's that going to do, right? I mean, it'll be a nice money, right? Anybody has 10 calls that are like $30 a call? Can anybody do the math? How much money would that be? $30 a call, and you got 10 of them. Anybody know the answer to that? Let's see who gets it first. $30K. Green gets it. Green, thumbs up, buddy. So $30,000, and our investment is probably $2,000. Yeah, $2,000 investment. Yeah. So get the January, and you know, hopefully we'll hit this, guys. We're in it. Green's in it. I'm in it. All the subscribers are in RLYP. We send alerts today, and once the rumor came out, we sent additional alerts. We said load this thing up. Load this up. Yeah. So hopefully we're right on it. If we're wrong, you know, have your stops, obviously. Yeah. Have your stops, and so we don't lose a ton of money. But, you know, hopefully we will hit this. CMG, I got some puts today. I'm thinking it goes down again. So, but let's see. Yeah. Yes. Friday is our cutoff. Friday, if you don't pop, you roll. But you better be in the trade, because merger Mondays. There's a lot of stuff. Well, it's just rumored, right? I mean, it's just been rumored. Not everybody knew. When we got it green, nobody said buy out. We just like the chart. Yeah, when we bought it at 22 last week, nobody knew it's a buyout. Then the buy rumor came out on Thursday. That was the first rumor. And today is the second rumor. Yeah. So we only had the rumor out twice. And we were in the trade last week, but before the rumor when we got in on Monday. Yeah. Yeah, CMG, it's an aggressive trade. CMG, we're hoping that it's going to work for us the third time. It already worked twice. I'm hoping that there's more bad news, some more E. coli, whatever, because I don't think the problem is taken care of. And I think the stock goes down a little bit more. So that's what I'm thinking. I hope that it can go lower. It went up higher today. So I'm hoping that it'll revert back and start heading back lower now. So, but that's an aggressive trade. But if you want to be a safer trade, that's the RLYP and the Teva Pharmaceuticals. Stick with that. It's making you money every day. Okay. Harman Short is making you money every day. Okay. Stick to those guys. And the new short I sent out today, Cavium, made some good money today also. So stick to those guys, and we'll find the big swings also. The dips today were very nice dips. Netflix and Google and Amazon, but we don't know if those dips are going to work tomorrow. Let's see. Let's hope that they do work, and we can at least, if we were down, we can get out at break even, a little bit of profit. Or we can make money depending on how far they go. Okay, so this is, let's see who else is in here. Okay, all right, so we're doing good. Great. All right. Yes, right around there. Yeah, right around the 4. Yeah, 4, something like that. Yeah, and then I put them on my YouTube, so you can look them up there. Yeah, I put them on YouTube. And I tweet them, tweet the link. Follow my Twitter at NaviAvatar1 on Twitter, and you guys will get the coverage. You guys get the tweets, and sign up, guys. Sign up. Yeah, if you can, become a member. That'll probably be the best thing you can do. Make money. Make money with us. So we're in there. We're every day. We got something every day that is 100%. Today it was Harman. Harman hit 650%. 200% today, 200 to 300%. Because we calls of those puts, we got them for like $2, and they're like 650. Yeah. So yeah. So this is what we have, and RLYP. Any other charts you guys want to look at? I can pull up some. Let's pull up CMG. Yeah, let's pull up that CMG chart. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at CMG. Okay, so CMG, our indicators are pointing down. Our indicators are pointing down on balance volume. It's in a total downtrend line. And then the accumulation distribution, it's starting to distribute today, right? Yeah, starting to distribute. And the CCI is going down too. So I'm thinking that, the stock will, maybe it'll bob up and down a little bit, but then it'll start heading lower again. And I'm hoping that it breaks 500 by December 18th. Because I got some 500 puts today, and that would be worth some good money if it does that. If it doesn't, yeah, we could lose, obviously. So there's a risk in that, but the downtrend is saying that it's going lower. Let's hope that it continues that downtrend. That was CMG. All right. So let's get I welcome all the new followers, the new users from StockTwits, from Twitter, social media platforms, Periscope. Welcome everybody to our class, free nightly class. You got out at 65.60, 65.40, I think. And it skyrocketed to 66.50. But it pulled back, and so you can get back into that trade. Yeah, every day pays you. Every day. Every day pays you. Yeah, let's look at the chart. Okay. Every day this has been paying us. Okay. Let's update this. Okay. Look at this. Wow. This is a pretty chart, guys. Look at this chart. What is it? On balance, all through the roof. They're buying the crap out of it. The accumulation distribution line going up. The CCI up in the positive territory. Okay, look at the chart. Boom, 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 boom. So right now, tag today 66.50. And where's it headed? It's headed about the 72 level. That's where it's going. Buying the dips in this stock is making people rich. This stock makes 100% money every single week. Every single week. There's not a week that goes by that does not make 100%. Okay? So Teva has become one of my favorite stocks, and it just, yeah. Yes, but hit 66.50, 66.70 today. Yeah. It's an amazing run. Don't let it go. Guys, 72 is a price target on Teva. Don't let this one go. Okay. So this is, yeah. So we got some specialties. We got some good stocks. Even our old puts, I was out of them, but they paid today, were the RH. Restoration Hardware puts. Restoration Hardware was down like $5 in the last 2 days. So those puts are like up again. Okay. So the puts have been really ERX. We didn't alert it, but we talked about it. The energy and those puts. If you got energy puts, those did good too. Okay. All right. So this is be the chart on Teva Pharma. One of our favorite stocks has paid us every week 100%. Okay. What else do we have working for us? Today we had alerted Cavium. Let's look at Cavium. I think we're going to get paid 100% on Cavium tomorrow. Okay. Let's look up Cavium. Okay. Well, it's kind of a messy chart, but you can see the downtrend. You can see the indicators pointing down. You can see the CCI is below 0. And you can see the accumulation distribution line turning negative. Everything is pointing for me to get puts here. Everything. Okay? And I see this crap going on for the last 30 days. When I see this crap going on my scanner, what did I do? I alerted puts today at 65. And boom, what happened? 63 and change. Right? Cavium. So you guys, my indicators are working. And the puts are killing it with the puts. Okay, Momo, no more today. Momo, no more yesterday. Momo has been missing, so we got to get the Momo back, and we on fire on the Momo. This is kind of where we're at. Okay, back around, and stock selection, very important. If we keep a balanced portfolio, I think that we're going to do really well. If you're all Momo, like me, I got overloaded on Momo too. So I went down, but then the RLYP, it brought me back. So, just like it's going to be balanced. We're going to have to maybe a little bit less Momo and a little bit more puts and more biotech is where I'm thinking that we're going to just kill it. That's where we've been killing it a lot. Because Momo, a lot of people are in there, and so the market makers, they pull the bids on the Momo. Okay. All right. So what else? What else we got? Anybody got another trade that we should look at? Any good ideas for tomorrow? What's everybody looking at for tomorrow? Let me look at the futures. Okay. See what the futures are there. No, we're not doing Guild. Okay. A lot of people do Guild. Yeah, a lot of people do it, but you know, yeah, we have Netflix. We have Netflix. Yes, Marha. You can add on the dips. Netflix, if you add them, and tomorrow is a big day, we're gonna make money on the Netflix. Yeah. Let's see. Let me get the futures. See if see how they're doing. Okay. Okay. Big gap down. I thought you were saying it was going to be up to 08. Now they reversed their position. Okay, let's see. Okay. Futures. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Well, up 5. SPY's up 5, and NASDAQ is up 11.5. Dow's up 38. Yeah. Futures are up nicely. So hopefully, you know, maybe the selling is done at the 205 level, and maybe we're going to gap and go tomorrow. Yeah. Yes. Gap and go, sell 208. This will be it. Tomorrow, that'll be that. Yeah. Yeah. And, yeah, and then keep those puts. You know, I alerted them on Friday. I alerted Monday. You have to go through your notes and see which puts we're following. You know, if we get stopped out or something, don't chase it. Ask me. But, you know, some like CLR put paid 2 days in a row. Yeah. Some guys hit it on Monday. Some guys hit it on Tuesday. So paid for 2 days, CLR. And today it went to green. CLB put paid on Monday and Tuesday. Today went green. So the puts, they worked for a couple of days and they killed it. Harman put worked Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4 days straight Harman put worked, paying 100% every day. Okay? So those CLR, CLB, HAR, CAT, Caterpillar, you can look at it, but it's getting way down there, 66. My target is 58, but it's, you know, it's getting way down there. Caterpillar can bounce. But those were the puts that are working great. RH, Restoration Hardware, from 93 down to 87. Those puts have been on fire. Fire, literally. Yeah. I mean, if you did nothing but play the puts, you're up, you know, 300%. Okay. All right. So this would be, you know, this is how we balance our portfolio. We have the puts. We have, you know, the CMGs that can go big. We have the RLYPs that can go big. And then we have the Tevas that can go big. And then we have the Momo. And Momo is the only sector that's not firing right now. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, it's not a daily. I would say it's be a monthly. Yeah, monthly income. Yeah, I live off of that. Yeah, I make my living trading stocks. Yeah. Yeah, monthly income. Yeah. So, you know, I've been doing it for 25 years, so, you know, I'm doing okay. But yeah, but I wouldn't recommend, you know, for somebody that haven't been done for a long time. It is difficult to learn. It takes a long time. Yeah, it takes a long time, but yeah, with dedication, with education, with studying, I believe that it can be achieved. I would recommend, recommend to take our class every night. I would recommend watching videos on Google, how to trade the markets, can pick a couple of books, you know, really hit this thing hard. And then paper trade. Get a free app that lets you buy, sell stocks on a piece of paper, and then keep your record of how well you do. Okay? This is kind of how I started. Once I know I can make money on paper, then I can make money for real. Okay? So, you know, start with that. All right. So, yeah, you guys, thank you for your support. You guys have been awesome, really. Let me say hi to a few more new people. Justin's in here. Justin, me and you have some same trades. Sunny, how are you doing? Days. Rob, Jelly Mob. Okay. Yeah. Welcome, everybody. Yeah, it's all different. You know, it's all different. I can't really say. It's all different. I mean, it changes, you know. I've had a good month, you know, like a good, my good months, you know, maybe I'll make like 30K, you know, on a good month. Yeah. So, but yeah, yeah. Oh yes, yes. Justin has been doing great. I mean, yeah, you got stuck in a couple of momos. So did I. And this is kind of what happens with momo. Sometimes they got no mo. So this is what happens. But keep an eye on the puts. Keep an eye on the biotechs. And this is how we are. This is how we do it. I'm in there right with you. I have Amazon, I have Google, I have Netflix. I can't wait to double my money and get out of there. Hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, the momos are weak, but money's rotating. Money rotated to DuPont, Dow Chemical. Money rotated to gas sector today, and so money was rotating, and money was in puts. Money was in puts. Money was in biotechs, and RLYP's made another high, post breakout high. So really excited, that we're going the right direction. Yeah. Yeah, and and I got my subscribers. They're great. I love them. And they're my friends. They're my comrades. We just, we have fun. Yeah, I will. Okay, Marha, definitely momos for you. Momos for you on Friday. I will look at them. Yeah, yeah. I know you love momo, but you made a shitload of money on RLYP. You did great. You got in at 21. It was crazy. It's crazy. So you gotta get back in. Don't let it go. Tomorrow you're buying RLYP. If it hits 30, it's done. Make sure you have it. I don't want you to lose out. I don't want any of my subscribers to lose out on RLYP. When that shit hits, party up, right? Yeah, if you're gonna day trade, yeah. I mean, of course, if I see that something's gonna move, I'll give you. But it is a risk, right? It is, yeah. I'll give you, yeah. But usually, me, I give you the monthly. But if I'm giving you the monthly and you feel that you can play the weekly based on my setup, that's up to you, right? I can't tell you that. I mean, that's up to you. Yeah. RLYP, I'm thinking, just right in here. Once it moves, this will be my stop. Yeah, once it moves, this will be my stop. Yeah, because even at this level, I'm not convinced of the move. I think the move is to 36, like I said. So if it moves to 36, I'm either out or I raise my stop from here to 50% higher. Yeah, yeah. Definitely. RLYP will be on a breakout. Yeah. RLYP will be on a breakout watch tomorrow, breaking 30. This will be what we're watching. Yeah. So, but let's, keep our eyes open, keep our ears open, and, let's listen to those rumors. Let's listen to, what's out there, what the traders are jumping on. And this is how we're going to make our money. I'm going to plug this thing in. It's getting low battery. All right. There we are. Okay. Let's see. Did we get any juice? Yeah, I think we're getting some juice. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's charging now. Okay. Yeah, green. I mean, if you want to get stopped out, I mean, you could obviously, do that. I'm thinking that we just roll it. We don't need to get stopped out. We just roll it. Yeah, we roll it to Jan. Jan is going to hold the value. Yeah. So, yeah. All right. We do go to the homeless shelter in Santa Ana. If you're ever out there, we bring lots of food and lots of gifts, goodie bags, to do our community, our charity service. So, definitely, we're here to help in more ways than just advice. So, if you guys, like I said, I want to help everybody. Yeah. Welcome. Yeah, I mean, S&P does that, and then it bounces back, right? 204, it'll bounce back. It does that. It did it on Paris attacks. The futures got down to 2,000 on the SPY, and then it bounced to 205. Yeah. So, I mean, that was 2-3 weeks ago, whatever. Yeah. So, it does that. S&P does that, and they ran the stops. They got all the Momo stocks, whatever the lows were yesterday. They went $3 or $4 behind those lows to hit the stops because they know the algorithms trading, and that's what I was telling you about yesterday. It's all high frequency trading, and they know where those stops are, and they hunt for those stops, and that's why everybody freaks out when it's even $3 or $4 below yesterday's low. Everybody freaks out about that, but what it is the high frequency trading. Okay, there's a book on it. Yeah, there's a book on it called Flash Boys from Michael Lewis, and I want you guys to read this book. And this will explain to you exactly how Wall Street and the algorithms and everything is working to steal from you, basically, for front run your orders. And this is a must read for any subscriber, any member. Michael Lewis, Flash Boys. Okay? So this is what I would recommend. My other recommendation I gave the last couple of days, read this one. It's trades about to happen. It's the Wyckoff method, a modern adaptation. He's the master of charting and the master of distribution. He can tell you if a stock is in distribution or if it's going up. This is the guy, and he wrote the book on it. You got to read this stuff. This is what I would recommend. Trades about to happen. It tells you in advance what's going to happen in the market. This is powerful stuff. Yeah. Okay. So yes, we do. Yes, we do. Our topic we're giving away for free today is RLYP, RLYP. That's our top pick. Yeah. Good. Good for you. Good for you. I wish everybody that we get bought out from 65 to 80 or more a share. If you're going to want to buy more, buy the January and buy them with stops, because if it drops, you don't want to lose everything. Okay? So, but, know what, with options, know what you're going to lose. I mean, if you're willing to lose, $1,000 on it, hey, but, if that 1,000 is going to make you 15, 20,000, you have to look at it and you have to weigh it. Yeah, RLYP. There's a rumor out there today that there's a company looking to buy it at 65. We don't know if it will ever get bought. Nobody knows that. Only the CEO of RLYP knows that. Yeah. So RLYP CEO and the company that is buying their CEO, they know if that's going to happen or not. We're just, speculating. Yeah. Well, it's right, bounces from this area, right? 122, 123 area. Yeah. CLB paid for 2 days. So if you got out yesterday, you're fine. Today it lost. Yeah, today it lost. 2 days is fine. Yeah. Yeah. You can look at it. You can look at it. Yeah. So trades about to happen, the Wyckoff method. And this is available on the replay also, and it'll be available on YouTube. So you can replay it and watch it on YouTube also. Okay? Yeah. So this is the trades about to happen, the Wyckoff method. And this one is Michael Lewis, Flash Boys, the hedge fund trading. Yeah. So this is what we have. Must reading, yes, must reading, and I leave these replays up there on YouTube and on the links are on Twitter, and then also it's up there on Periscope. Okay, so you can replay it, and it's on my website also, stockmarketmojo.com on the website. Give me that. Yeah, you can have it. Sure. You can take it out and go. All right. So this is where we're at. Okay. Now, put that back right here. Put that one back. All right. RLYP that we got in 22 was my first one, 21, and then $20.50. Yeah, we had 3 entries. And then one we had at about 25. So 4 entries on RLYP. But today we added some at when you pull back to 27.50. Fundamentals, yes. The RLYP has all fundamentals. You know, it's a chart, but it's fundamentals. Yeah. Good luck. All right. All right, Justin. Good luck. We'll see you in the morning. Hopefully we have everything is going crazy in the morning. Hopefully just going through the roof. So hopefully we'll have that tomorrow. All right. Now, what else? Who's ready to sign up? Let's get some new subs, and let's put you on my direct feed, and that way I can private Twitter alert you on the stocks that we want, and make money for everybody. Yeah. So this is what we want to do, and hopefully we can get your business, and we can make everybody money. What other stocks are you guys looking at? Anything you like? Maybe we can pull up a chart. We can pull up. Let's take a look. Join us. We'll do it. Yeah. On my private Twitter alert feed. Private Twitter alert feed. Yeah, Lucky is good. I don't even follow that, MCUR. I have no idea what that is. Yeah. And I follow like 200 stocks. I don't follow that. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Who's giving me the hearts? Somebody's giving me some good hearts, man. Roomba, man. He's cool. He's cool. Zyop chart. Okay, let's look up a Zyop chart. Somebody says that's like that stock has gone nothing but down, right? So let's look up a Zyop chart. Let's book. Let me get the charts up. Okay. Where is that? Okay, right there. Okay. All right. Let's look up at the Zyop chart. CIOP. Well, if somebody would have bought puts on this thing got nothing but down. I mean, it just went nothing but down. Yeah. If you have puts on this thing, man, you killed it. So, yeah. Let me let one of my subs, you want to know this chart. Puts would have been great. Puts would have paid. All right. So he wants to know about that. Puts would have paid. All right. So I'm going to show him the Zyop. And there's the Zyop chart right here. Man, it's all a bloody red. It's in distribution. The money's coming out on the top indicator. And let's see. Let's get my indicators up. Okay. I'll leave this up for Anil. Anil, when you watch the replay, I'll leave it up here. Let me see. Keltner. Okay. Okay. On balance, accumulation, distribution, CCI, update. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is especially for our subscriber, Anil. Okay. We have, sir. So let's do what time frame? What time frame do we have? Let's do a 3 months. 3 months. Okay. All right. Update this. Okay. All right. Let's take a look. Okay. So for the 3 month time frame, what do we have? We have on balance volume is coming down, which means the big money is exiting. It's been exiting for a while after it hit this top, which was about 1493. So after it hit the 1493, the big money has been coming out of it. Okay, this is the on balance volume, more sell than buy. Then the chart obviously is in a downtrend. Okay, and then the accumulation distribution line, it was accumulating after it hit that top, and there's been nothing but people cashing it out. Nothing but cashing it out, right? And then it's got this guy, the CCI is negative 202. In the last 3 months, it's never hit this negative. Let me put up a year. Let me see if I can get a year on it. and see if I can get a better look. When does it ever hit a, okay, let's see. What happens after it hits a negative 200 CCI? That's what I want to know. Okay, so negative 200 CCI, it hit right here in April. And in April, it hit, the price was $9.49. Then it popped over the next 2-3 weeks. It popped to the 11 area, and then it dumped to 8, 11, 9, and then 12, 10, and then it obviously made a run to 14. Okay, now that was the top back in August, end of August, and then it repeated that over here, double top, 1493, and then it just, you know, been down ever since. Okay, so right now it's in a unbalanced volume is going down. Accumulation distribution line is pointing down, and CCI is pointing down. Now, in this down period in the past when it's had this much down, it's had about a 2 to 3 week run from the 9 or 8 level to the 11, 12, 13 level, okay, in the past. So we don't know if it'll get back there, but in the past when it gets oversold like that, sometimes it does bounce to the 11, 12 area, okay? So this would be my analysis on ZIOP. Something I don't follow, but since one of my friends was in it, we wanted to see, you know, what it would look like. Now this is a big time frame, so let's bring it in for 6 months. I think 6 months might be a little bit better, and they'll give us a better picture on this too. In a 6 month time frame, every time it gets to a 200 negative CCI, yeah, it bounces. Yeah, it bounces a little bit. Yeah, it bounces a little bit. Maybe a $2, $3 bounce. Okay, maybe. But generally, yeah. So it's got a lower bottom here and another higher bottom, and this is about a little bit higher bottom. So 3 bottoms that are a little bit higher than each other. So it is possible that it can bounce a couple of bucks. Possible. Yeah. Tell me about the Chipotle. Who mentioned that? I didn't catch that. Talk to me about the Chipotle. I'll pull up the chart. Okay, what are you saying about Chipotle? I want to know. Okay. Should we short it? Okay, good question. Good question. No, the answer to that question is no shorting, because they could squeeze it and they could make you lose money. The way we've been playing it by the puts. So I have some, and I'm hoping that it continues lower to the 450 level. Yeah, that's what I would like for it to do. So, you know, hopefully Chipotle can continue, and all the indicators are pointing down, and every time it bounces, it goes right back down. And it's in distribution, and just headed lower. The downtrend is lower, and CCI is at the low. Everything is low. I don't want this to bounce, but you know, you never know what Wall Street can do, and that's where we're at. So yeah, you guys sign up if you can to our private Twitter alert service. We get you the pre-market, everything, all the setups. During the day, we alert you buy, sells, which way to go, and at the end of the day, we do a market recap. Everything's included for like $1.99 a month. Okay. All right. Welcome everybody. Welcome. We have some new users. Welcome. Yeah. Welcome. Yeah, Baba is good. I have some Baba too. Yeah, I have some Baba. Baba's good. Yeah. So welcome everybody. We had a good turnout today. We had a lot of people. Starting from you know, the 4 o'clock hour, we have a lot of people, and you know, we've been doing really great on our biotechs. Our biotechs are killing it, and our puts are killing it. And momos were crazy last week. This week the momos pulled back, but we bought on the dip. So let's see what happens on the momo tomorrow. Hopefully we'll kill it on the momos as well. So what else do we have? Um, Oil, yeah, I mean, oil is kind of like really flushing it. We want it to hold, because if oil can hold, the market can come back. But yeah, the oil is definitely hurting the market this week with the big dump that oil did. Um, so CMG, this is your chart. Look at it. I think it's going lower. And yeah, oil dumped to 37 yesterday. Yeah, so it's it's been, yeah, it's been down there. It's been down. Yeah, absolutely. So that's causing the markets to come down. Yeah, markets likes higher oil prices, not lower. Yeah, market likes higher. Yeah, on sale. Yeah, definitely, definitely. Yeah, but if what it is it puts out of business a lot of companies that produce oil, because their cost of producing it is more than the 37 a barrel. Something like that. Yeah. So it costs more, than what they could sell it for. So these companies are going to go out of business. That hurts the market. Market takes a dive. That's how it works. Yeah. So yeah. What was the other stocks that worked today? Was there anything? I heard the Dow was buying DuPont. I think everybody was buying DuPont calls for like 2 weeks, and then finally they had a buyout today. So that was something that if you guys followed the call activity, you would have gotten the alert for that. I know one of my stock twits personalities that I pay attention to, Wall Street Jesus, he alerted some of that DuPont calls a couple of weeks ago, I remember. And yeah, calls would be like an option. An option would control 100 shares of the stock. Yeah, option. Yeah, one option controls 100 shares. Calls would be the going up part, yeah. Puts would be the going down part. Yeah, definitely. You guys are asking good questions. Hey, this is what we're here for. This is a free class, and it just basically is to share knowledge. Follow some good traders in here, and they will give you the knowledge that comes from that. So I'll try to look at the screen all day and talk to you guys. Okay, so yeah, we got a good audience today. Thank you guys. Appreciate you joining us, taking the class, spending time, following me, retweeting me, really, and following some of the guys in here. They're really strong. I do okay. I do okay. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah. I mean, you could try the iron condor strategy and that kind of stuff. We do straight calls and puts. Yeah, we don't do fancy strategies, because fancy strategies require bigger portfolios, and most people are doing 5 to 10 grand, and they don't want to do a fancy strategy. Yeah, so straight calls and puts. We go where the money's going. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, I like all the FANG stocks. The Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. I like Starbucks. I like Baba. Those are the good stocks to go with. And of course, I like biotechs. Those are my picks that I strongly like. Yeah. I don't like the burrito. I think the burrito is going down. So day trading are those that I give you. Yeah, those move on the day trading. Today the puts would have worked. If you got the puts when the market was at 150, you would have made a lot of money. Yeah. Penny stocks, no. Yeah. Yeah, I just, went and, looked at them and, made my list. It took me a while, but I made the list. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, definitely, I mean, it just, your trading platform, you just select a put. That's it. It's not that difficult. Yeah, either way. Yeah. Yeah, Uber will go public. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it all depends on your broker and all that. Yeah. Yeah. Google owns Uber, by the way. Part of Uber is owned by Google. So if Uber goes public, Google goes up. Yeah. 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 Options, you can take a class, or you can take Google. YouTube has some classes on options. E-Trade has classes on options, and definitely learn about them and how to make them work for you, for your portfolio. definitely, worth reading and worth learning all about them. They are riskier than stock, so you should learn about them. Yeah, Baba's really good. Lift Investor is correct. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So, yeah, you guys are very knowledgeable. Yeah, welcome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. We've had some great alerts. A lot of people in the chat here today, they could attest to that. So they're my subscribers, and these people have hit the big ones. Yeah, I mean, every other day there's a huge 100-200% trade that they take. Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be good. Weight Watchers. It'll be a good. Yeah, it'll be good. I think we have the Januaries or something, but it'll be good. $10,000 divided up into say 5 stocks, 5 to 10 stocks, 1,000 to 2,000 each. Yeah, it's not a short. No, Weight Watchers not a short. Yeah, yeah. This is for the swing traders. Yeah, swing traders. Yeah, yeah. Fit has been kind of in distribution. Yeah, Fit has been in distribution. Yeah. And this is, yeah, we swing for a few days. Some of our swings in 3-4 days are still going. They make money every day for us. Yeah, yeah. We have a put on Harman. That thing's up every day. It's up $1 every single day. Yeah, Teva is up $1 every single day. Yeah, swing trading is that you don't sell it the same day. Yeah. No, I mean, I'm so busy, just with private alerts, and so busy keeping the market and my own trading, that this would be way too difficult to show you guys. What I do is I put printouts on my Twitter feed. You can look at my trades in the past. You can see how I've done. Yeah. Yeah. No, I swing trade. Few days. I don't like day trading. Yeah. Yeah. Day trading, you have to watch every dime, every little thing, and it's, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the Momos. Yeah, Momos got hit. So let's see if tomorrow we can get the Momo back. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So what else everybody doing? For the holidays, right? Everybody, you guys did your shopping. You guys gonna buy some stocks for the holidays? Yeah, yeah. Depends on the stock. Just depends on the stock, right? Yeah, yeah. Momentum. Yeah, momentum. Momo means momentum. Stocks that have momentum, usually going up. Yeah, those are called momos. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, Dow was what, 14,000 in the year 2000, and it's 17,000 15 years later. Some people say it's like really cheap. Yeah. No. Yeah. Some people say really cheap, the Dow, 17,000. Some people are saying Dow's going to 30,000. Yeah. So we don't know. Nobody knows where it's going, up, down, side to side. We look at the chart, and we'll be able to predict, with the sentiment, with the psychology, we'll be able to predict, which way they're going. We've been buying insurance, short QQQs. We've been buying puts and diversifying our portfolio that way. So if our momos are down, we're making money on puts, we're making money on biotechs. And this is how we are in the game. But we'd like, short Qs. Yes, sir, short Qs. That's our hedge. Yeah, no. Yeah. Thank you, Marha. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Marha is our customer. They've done really well this year on our alerts, and they made a lot of money on RLYP. Yeah. Yeah. So this is where it's at. So you got to be really focused, and let's make money. Yes, in options you can lose everything. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. StockMarketMojo.com. Sign up, subscribe, hit the specials, and become part of our club, and we'll send you the private Twitter alerts. Yeah, yeah. I mean, winning and losing is part of the game. Yeah, yeah, yeah. As far as I know, in election year, they don't raise rates because they don't want to impact the elections. Yeah, yeah. Not all alerts, and you don't have to take all alerts either. Those are setups that I'm feeling good about. And then some guys will take, you know, a few, some will take all, some will take one or two. Just depends on your selection. Yeah, just depends. Yeah, yeah. So I think knowledge is the most important thing. If you guys willing to do your homework preparation, you will find the stock that will make you money. You don't need 20 stocks. You need one. Yeah, yeah. You need one stock that'll make you money. Yeah. Everybody loses money when you're learning. And at some point, you know, you learn and then you start making money. Yeah. Diversification is the key. Yes, correct. Well, we have some knowledgeable people in here too, guys. Yeah, we have beginners, but we have knowledgeable people too. Yeah. Short QQQ is SQQQ, and it's basically if the market tanks, that goes skyrocketing, so that goes up. Yeah. So it's a good investment to get as a hedge. I will put this for you and have a look at this. Yeah. Let's take a look at short QQQ. If the market breaks below 2,000, this would go crazy and this would make a lot of money. I want to show you this chart of the SQQQ. Okay. Take a look at this chart. Yeah. SQQQ, which is the opposite, which is if the market goes down, what happens? Okay. Yeah, I think it's a little bit leveraged. Okay, here it is. So it was trade if the market was going down, right? And the SQQQ was at this level, you know, where it's at right now, like the 20s, and the market started crashing. And in one day, I'll zoom in. In one day, it tagged from 22 level, this right here, below 22 right here, and it tagged 45 in one day when the market crashed in August. You see that? So no, it's not like UVixie. No, it just works opposite of the Qs. This is what happened in August in one day. SQQQ, yes, in one day in August. If the market crashes, this is what it does. It's a great stock to have, guys. It's a great hedge to have. Yeah, flash crash, you can see where it went. Right there. 45 it tagged. Okay? It's at what? 18.5 today. So today is where it's at. Okay? 18.5. If the market crashes, the 200-day or corrects would be hit 23. Right? And then right here, yeah, and then it can go, no, it'll be up a lot. Yeah, it'll be up a lot. Yes, thank you, Marha. And it's all part of my service. You know, I do the homework and I come here and I talk to you guys. You know, most traders don't do that. That's my give back to the community. That's my give back to the community. So yeah, that's my give back. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, you can see other traders. You can see they shoot out the trades, but they don't have coverage. They don't talk about it. You know, I'm here every day talking about it. Yeah. So for me, yeah, it's $199 a month. Yeah. So Basically, you know, I'll give you the coverage, I'll give you the setups. You can pick and choose, you know, and trade and see how you do. Most of my subscribers have hit 600% on Google. They hit 100% on Teva several times. They hit Harman puts. They hit Baba for 100%. You know, they've done a lot. Yeah. Okay. All right, Mara. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm thinking too. I'm in Netflix. Yeah, I'm in it. I'm in it. Yeah. I have Netflix, Google, and Amazon right now, and I have RLYP also. Yeah, that's your monthly private tutor alert service. Yeah. So hopefully you guys are getting some good value here, and you know, showing you all that, you know, stuff like that. So if you got, you know, anybody doesn't want to learn, they can go to the class next door, you know, and there's other classes, you know, but we're here for our group. Yeah, our group is stockmarketmojo.com. That's our group. Yeah. So, you know, we have a faithful group of followers. We have about 1,000 followers, and we have, you know, that come for this class. Yeah. Yeah. So, you know, we're in California. We're in California. Orange County. Yeah. Yeah, they're on the website and they're on my Twitter. They're on my Twitter page. Follow me on Twitter at NaviAvatar1, and also on StockTwits NaviAvatar. You'll see all the testimonials. People follow me, and you know, stuff like that. Yeah. So that's what we have. All right. What else? How else? Everybody doing? Is you guys been? Any of you been trading for a while? How long is the longest? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. You know, I'm not sure. Yeah. Twitter is good. You can follow me on Twitter. Yeah. You follow me on Twitter. Right. So yeah, guys, definitely. You know, I'm here to help you, and you know, anything you guys need. You know, any questions regards to stocks, I can answer you. Yeah, I mean, it depends on how aggressive you want to be, Green. Obviously, you know, set your stops, and if you get a 50, 100%, cash it in right away, as you do. You're good at that. So, you know, this is something that we all need to fine-tune because the market is choppy. So, you know, let's fine-tune that. But again, you know, you don't want to miss the big swing. Like, you know, we got stopped at Amazon, but then we got back in on the dip and we went up 200% yesterday. So the thing is that even Teva and these guys came back and made us money. No, Groupon's junk. Don't touch that. Absolute junk. All right. Well, great, guys. It's been an excellent group of guys tonight, really, and ladies too. You know, ask questions. Yeah, what do you have? Yeah. All right, a couple $100, Javier. GoPro sucks. Don't touch it. At 30, I told my followers it was going to 15. It's 16 today. Yeah, so that's where we're at. Yeah. So what else, guys? All right. Okay. So this has been a great education tonight. I'm gonna do my scans tonight and then be ready in the pre-market for the new members as well as the existing members to give you guys the alerts. And let's make some money. Okay, Javier, we'll talk to you later. We love the pharmas. Pharmas are doing great. Yeah, we're in RLYP, we're in Teva. We love these. K-Bio is, you know, up and down. Yeah, up and down K-Bio. Very risky. Yeah, very risky. Always have your hedge. All right. So I will save this video. You can watch it on the replay and look at the charts. Hopefully we'll come back tomorrow and we'll make another couple of 100% on some of our picks, and we'll find maybe get one of our stocks gets bought out. You know, that would be amazing. We can do that. Yeah, Blue didn't have good numbers or didn't have good drug trials according to the experts, so they sold it off. So let's just watch it, see where it goes. Yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it. All right. All right, guys. You guys have been awesome. So send me any questions. Any of the new followers, any questions, send me on Twitter. I'll be happy to answer them. Anybody who wants to sign up, let's get you in. And, I look forward to working with all of you and continue to provide great service. That's what I'd like to do. All right, Green. So you guys have a great evening. And I will be talking to you in the pre-market, most of the subscribers. And then, of course, I will be on Twitter as well. All right. Okay, have a great evening, everybody. And we will just see you guys in the morning. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.